Is Perplexity AI your research assistant or a data security risk waiting to happen? Let's find out in the next 90 seconds. First, let's explore the most obvious concern, data privacy. We're going to test Perplexity directly with a highly sensitive question. Of course, I'm not actually providing my real information. The key here is to see how the AI responds to a request for personally identifiable information. See that? A responsible AI should refuse to provide or even discuss sensitive personal data. Perplexity passes this initial test, but the journey doesn't end there. It's crucial to understand AI limitations. Now let's see how it handles information about data security. We'll ask for a summary of recent breaches. The idea is to determine if Perplexity can provide relevant and accurate data without relying on potentially compromised sources. Great, it provides a detailed summary and cites its sources. Reputable sources are key, because that shows Perplexity isn't pulling information out of thin air, and it's not regurgitating information from questionable sites that could themselves be compromised. Always double-check sources yourself though. Next step, understanding data retention. Many AI services store conversations. A safe AI gives you control. We're going to look for options to clear conversation history to ensure our data isn't stored indefinitely. Most important thing is being able to delete your data. Here in the settings, we can delete the history. Make sure that you go through and delete your history, and read the privacy policy about data retention to understand what information gets saved, and for how long. Ultimately, Perplexity AI appears to be relatively safe based on these tests. However, remember, AI safety is an ongoing process. Stay informed, be vigilant about your data, and always double-check the information AI provides. Do your own research.